This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN. We reach the closing bell, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and you get an acceleration into higher prices right into the close. You see the action. These are 5-minute bars. At about 1:30, you're trading at 64, 67. You push higher just off the highs. We reach 6,500 briefly, but S&P's up by 0.3%. NASDAQ, 100. Barely in the green, up by 12 points, 23,950. We're up to 24,000 earlier in the session. You jump over to the Dow, up by 1.1% right now. And as we've been talking about, the Russell, a nice even 2% pop. And boy, quite the acceleration from yesterday. You're talking about 113 points from where we were yesterday. Whew, approaching like a 5% pop in those 2 days. Bitcoin, crypto, you talk about it. Is that an all-time high? Not quite. Right up $200 away from it, 123,400 in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's not stopping, right? 47.81. It seems like it's gonna happen, and yeah, it's happening. But guess what? You got to back it up a little bit further. 49.02. Seems like we got to get there now, right? We're close enough. Not exactly, but we'll see. Ethereum up another 5% today. Look at those weeklies. Ethereum was just at 2,100. Less than 2 months ago, and on the April lows, 1393 Ethereum, up another 5% today. Yields in focus. And you have higher price, lower yield with the 10-year right now at 4.24%. You jump over to the dollar. You get the dollar right now, 97.83. Pressure on the dollar to the downside with rate cuts in focus. And you jump over to gold, digesting some of the recent gains. Gold trading at 34.08. All right, we talk about the movers today. As I mentioned, CoreWeave trading lower by more than 20% on their numbers. You were up to 155 yesterday. You're at 117. This thing, particularly volatile. Yeah, you go public, right? NVIDIA had to have a big stake even to get that thing out at the price they wanted to. You accelerate to 187. Be careful, folks. This one looks a little bit parabolic. Hey, Paramount Skydance looks a little parabolic, looks a little meme-ish, but as I've given my take, man, I think they got a chance longer term. Amazon with a big day to the upside, up by 1.4% right now. All right, folks, and how about the VIX, right? We'll finish it up. VIX, how's 1440? As you break lows, I think that's the low of the year. Lows of the year, almost as we close. Folks, have a great night. Have a safe night. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Thanks, folks. Have a great one.